My name is Dr. Phil. My title is Study of Plant Growth. I am in Mr. Plu's class. My teacher is Mr. Plu. My hypothesis is that plant 3 will be the highest plant. I think the plant that gets the most water, which is plant 3, will grow the tallest. Plant 1 will get a 1/4 of a cup. Plant 2 will get 1/3 of a cup. Plant 3 will get 1/2 of a cup. The invariables are the things that are not changing for each plant. The plants will receive the same amount of sun, soil amount and type, room temperature, humidity, and pressure. I am using this to record the temperature, humidity, and pressure. Parameters to be observed. Height, how many leaves, how many peppers, how many flowers. I am going to use this master data sheet to record all my parameters. To record all my data, I use this master data sheet. Wake up in the morning. I measure this. I count how many leaves there is. 1, 2, 3. After, I water the plants. I let the water sit here so the chlorine can evaporate. I record the temperature, humidity, and the pressure. And I take a picture when I'm done. Plant 1 grew 3 inches. Plant 1 got the smallest amount of leaves, but the highest amount of height. Plant 2 has the first highest amount of leaves and second amount of height. Plant 3 has the least amount of height and the second highest amount of leaves. The experiment took 12 days. None got flowers or peppers. The plant with the highest growth rate is plant 2, which is 41.2% higher than all the other plants. Plant 2's growth rate was better because plant 1 was 18% lower. Plant 3 has the lowest height rate because it only grew 8.3%. I started seeing excess water at day 6 and went on until day 12 in plant 3's bowl. There is a little bit of excess water in plant 2's bowl. Plant 3 is not getting the same amount of sun as the other plants. For example, 9:30 a.m., plant 3 is in the shade. At 9:36 a.m., plant 3 has no more sun. The leaves on the window side have more sun. The leaves that are not facing the sun don't have the same amount of light as the windows. At 9:46 a.m., plant 2 has no sun because the palm tree is blocking it. When I put my back to the sun, it was hot. When I put this directly in the sunlight, the temperature was 78 degrees. When the thermometer is in the shade, it is 72.5. At 10:10 a.m., none of the plants have sun because of the tree is blocking it. The window for the plants is facing east and they get the sun in the morning. December 8th was the middle of the experiment. That was day 6. December 8th, the sunrise was 6:43 a.m. and the sunset was 4:40. On December 8th, we had a total of 11 hours and 57 minutes of daylight. And got 34 minutes more than plant 3. In this location, the plants only get 3 hours 27 minutes average a day of direct sunlight. Plant 1 gets about 3 hours and 30 minutes a day. Plant 2 gets about 3 hours and 15 minutes a day. Plant 3 gets about 3 hours a day. Plant 3 gets 1/7 sunlight less than plant 1. That's 14% less. I thought adding more water to the plants would make it grow bigger. Plant number 2 actually grew faster. I believe the growth of the leaves is more important than the height because the more leaves, the more peppers you get. It grew 41.2% more leaves. Plant 2 grew more because there was little excess water. Plant 1 had more direct sunlight and less water, but grew less. Plant 3 had a little less sunlight, but too much water. So, to conclude, Plant 2 had the best amount of water without soil water saturation. Thanks for watching this video. A special thanks to Mr. Plu, and thank you for watching this video, everybody.
Plants rock. Yeah. Let's go. Plants rock, they are on Autotron.
Not only plants need water. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video, Mr. Plu, and to everybody. Plant 3 gets 1/7 sunlight less than plant 1. That's 40.
We just wanna see ya.